Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 171,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.